Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an account, payment method, and browser open. First, install the VPN's Chrome extension from the provider's official Chrome web store listing. Make sure the publisher name matches your account. Once added, sign in using your verified credentials and set any 2FA. Choose extension settings. Enable Start on Launch if you want automatic protection, and select a preferred protocol or smart location. This gets your browser tunnel active quickly, while you prepare system-level options if needed. Once signed in, open the extension and configure detailed options. Select a nearby or specific country server for the site you need, pick a secure protocol if available, and enable DNS and WebRTC leak protection. Make sure split tunneling is set if you need local network access for printers or media. Then run an IP check and a DNS leak test to confirm traffic is routed correctly. If speeds lag, switch servers or protocol. That trade-off between security and performance matters. To finish, enable AutoConnect and the kill switch so Chrome won't leak when the VPN drops. Save your credentials in a secure manager. Once configured, browse and confirm site access and streaming libraries if that's your goal. If pages fail to load, restart Chrome, disable other extensions that alter traffic, and clear cache. When problems continue, switch protocol or server, run another leak test, and collect extension logs before contacting support. This speeds resolution and explains what's happening behind the scenes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.